Guys, I made a YouTube video on how to download movies. And I've had comments that there's no sound and that I'm not serious and all that. There is sound in movies if you want me to show you. And I'm just gonna play the movie.
He can come any second. And I don't want him coming and finding roller skates on his feet.
It works.
Miss Patricia would find out and she'd get angry.
There's some movies
Etc.
that has subtitles and some that don't.
Yeah.
So the sound fully works in all my movies that I have downloaded. I'll show you. Let me just open them here. Got White Chicks. Sound all works. So if the sound's not working, it's not my fault. Every movie that I've downloaded on all my other laptops and stuff, they all of them have sound. Some of the movies that you choose might not be clear, like because the people that update it from fmovies, they do screen recording sometimes. So the movie might be blurry, or sometimes they might not have sound, but most of the movies, they will have sound. See? Like that's probably a screen recording. It doesn't have like a lot, like really good HD or whatever. So yeah, and all the movies have sounds, and that's what I just wanted to show you. Proof that the movies that I download have sound.